Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell and the subscribe button for more informative videos and updates. Try this Pinoy creamy fruit salad that can be had all year long. It is easy to make, so creamy and delicious. It's not just perfect for hot summer days, it's also the perfect dessert for you. This is the easy way to make. Drain the fruit cocktail syrup. Leave in the strainer for at least 10 minutes. I will be using mixed tropical fruit. This canned fruit mix usually includes pineapple, red, cherry, nata de coco and yellow papayas. Fruit cocktail is low in fat and carbs. If you're on a diet plan and are counting fat calories, consider adding fruit cups with water or juice. The natural juices of the fruit add essential nutrients instead of unhealthy fat and carbs. Fruit cocktail is great for diet plans and makes an excellent snack choice. I will add red CDO nata de coco. Did you know that experts said, nata de coco contains a considerable amount of fiber, which can help avoid conditions including constipation, hemorrhoids, coronary heart disease, appendicitis, colon cancer, diabetes, obesity, and more. Nata de coco is not only nutritious and fiber-dense, but it also has a distinct flavor. Add Nestlé all-purpose cream and condensed milk. Then stir together the condensed milk and all-purpose cream. Did you know that Nestlé cream helps balance the different flavors of your ingredients together to make for a truly delightful dish? Condensed milk also has a lot of health benefits. It is a good source of these nutrients in addition to calcium, vitamin D, vitamin B12, vitamin A, riboflavin, phosphorus, and protein. These nutrients are necessary for healthy teeth and bones, a robust immune system, and a cardiovascular system. This Filipino fruit salad is as easy as tossing all the ingredients together in a large bowl. You can serve the mixture as soon as it's prepared, but for best results, chill for a few hours until very cold or freeze until firm. Either way, it's delicious as an after-meal dessert or midday snack. Transfer to an airtight container and press a plastic film onto the surface of the salad before closing the lid to prevent crystals from forming. Filipino fruit salad is the perfect holiday treat. Colorful, creamy and delicious with canned fruit and sweetened cream, this fruit salad is sure to be a party favorite. If adding fresh fruits such as apples, drizzle with lemon juice to keep from browning. Nutrition information. Calories: 287 kilocalories, carbohydrates, 35 grams, protein, 8 grams, fat, 14 grams, saturated fat, 11 grams, cholesterol, 20 milligrams, sodium, 393 milligrams, potassium, 368 milligrams, fiber, 3 grams, sugar, 29 grams, vitamin A, 313 IU, vitamin C, 6 milligrams, calcium, 218 milligrams, iron, 1 milligram. Don't forget to like, click the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel.